Continuing on in our investigation of the Donald Trump shooting in Butler, Pennsylvania, we have some brand new police body cam video to show you in addition to what we had already showed you the last few days. This will clear up the mystery for us of these ladders. It will reveal for us once and for all who put the ladders there and when and how did they get there. This will help solve that very short but important timeline for us, and it will finally put to rest the issue of who put that 10-foot tall aluminum ladder there that everybody was so suspicious about. I have some very surprising revelations for you. Now, this is body cam from the officer who parked behind the water tower, and look at this, there's the lady on the horse. I always wondered what happened to her. She took refuge behind that shed. So he's now on the parking lot of the AGR building, and he's going to head over there, and this is the guy that's going to help set up that pallet ladder on top of the shed. Now, I did spruce up the video contrast and everything here, and I'm going to fast forward through most of his walking. It's just not instrumental here at all.
Is he hit? Is there a ladder? Is there a ladder there, Paul?
No, you use that board right there, bro. That's right up.
Back up. Someone on me.
Police stop. Police stop. A lady's been shot in the stairs, the floor stairs.
You need to lift you up?
Hold on.
Give me the armor. I need a ladder. Somebody said they see this happen.
I need an ambulance for the back.
Give me those pallets!
The horn.
Secure this, secure this. I got you. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
Get them out of here! Get them out!
So right there, you can see them putting the pallet up, and these are going to be the very first officers on the roof.
Next!
I need a ladder. She's gonna.
1305, that was relayed. On anything. Understood, no confirmation. They were relayed the ladder on the right-hand side, or the left-hand side, they're on the way with it.
So it's coming up on 3 minutes after the shooting now, and you heard them just announce that the ladder is on the way.
Laying down, thrown out, full bag next to him.
So the officer is basically just standing here now while the first few guys had climbed up the pallet and gone up to the roof.
Laying down. There's a gap in between you and there.
As soon as we get up here, you'll have perfect eyes on him. We just need a ladder. I can hold it.
And hey, look what showed up finally. The black telescopic ladder that I showed you when they were running across the field with it and they threw it over the fence. So this is what I find very puzzling though. They take this ladder, this telescopic ladder, and what do? They stick it up on top of the shed there, which is dangerous. It's a dangerous shed. They were already talking about it being dangerous. And this telescopic ladder is now shorter than the pallet because they didn't extend it. So why would you ask for a ladder and not use it like a ladder? So a minute later, we get a nice view of this optimal ladder set up there. Isn't that just beautiful? Why didn't I think of that?
Yeah, let's do. Okay, do we have a suspect in custody? Yes, we do.
Hey, look who's coming to the party. The very first Secret Service agent has arrived.
Whether he's down or whether he's in custody, yes.
I'm going to try to confirm in a second.
So as I mentioned last night, as soon as the cop dropped off of that roof after seeing the shooter, he should have just mag-dumped, fired his gun into the ground to get everybody's attention. Hey, and even at the very least, he would have startled the shooter, and then the shooter would know that there's cops firing at him, and that could have, who knows, it might have interrupted his shooting, and he might not have even gotten started with it. But somehow, you gotta get everybody's attention when something like this happens here. Just like Bruce Willis did in Die Hard, when all other communication fails.
Welcome to the party, pal!
Yes.
Okay. Once EMS will stand by.
I don't want to split hairs.
No.
Is he a shooter? Did he have a weapon? Is he?
That was the report. That was a report.
1382 Butler.
And remember, I've edited out a lot of parts here, just the guys walking around. It doesn't contribute anything.
Good.
Is that how he got up?
I have no
Are you
idea.
guys committed?
I have no idea.
Attack resource to the Butler Hospital.
So now the Secret Service agent is sitting there going, how can I get up to that roof? Do you think I could take this telescopic ladder and open it up?
1302 from 03.
I edited out a lot of profanity as well.
Yeah. Just be aware, I've got eastbound on 68 and northbound on Meridian.
Now keep your eyes on the Secret Service agent. Watch what he is about to do.
Okay, did the motorcade come by you? It did, yes. Okay, you can open it back up.
Let it go. Got it? Yep.
Well, we finally solved this mystery. Now we know who set up the black ladder. Well, this is totally unbelievable because I never in a million years would have suspected the Secret Service agent in a suit set up that telescopic ladder. I thought that the SWAT members that were running across the field with it, throwing it over that fence and rushing to get that ladder in place would have set it up. So this story is just getting stranger by the minute. Well, this answers another question that many of us have had, and that is, when did the Secret Service agent get on the roof? But here you go. At just about 10 minutes after the shooting at 1821. Remember, the shooting happened at 18:11:33. So there is our first view of the telescopic ladder all set up. And as he turns around, watch, you can see the broken plastic chair over there to the left of it and the broken leg of the chair. I don't know if the cops had stood on it and broke it.
Just went up.
I need some manpower on the west side.
One Secret Service just went up. Yeah.
That's a copy.
Yeah.
Now they're going to be mentioning Dave Stewart in the red shirt any second now. He's the one that shot that famous shaky video that you've seen me mention a few times.
1227, I can see you keyed up. You the west side of the building, AGM.
Right here. Got him. Hold him. He doesn't leave.
I f***ing told them they need to post the guys over here. I told them that the Secret Service. I told them that Tuesday. I told them to post fucking guys over here.
I have no contact with the inside.
What?
I thought you guys were on the roof.
No. We're inside.
I wasn't even concerned about it because I thought someone was on the roof. I thought that's how we. Like, how can you lose a guy walking back here?
They were
on the roof.
They were inside.
Why were we not
In the building.
Because
You need to go somewhere over on the left side.
Why weren't we?
because I thought we were going to post guys over here. I talked to the Secret Service guys. They're like, yeah, no problem. We're going to post guys over here.
Watch the large window beside me.
Copy. We need ladders. Yeah, medic.
So I wonder if the long gun was somewhere on the roof because I see him coming.
To the ADR building?
Up on this side.
Yeah, correct.
Coming across, and he climbed down the other side. And that's when I was calling it out. He came down, and that's when the trooper pulled up. And then he went down, and then there was the trooper, and all of a sudden they came up. You were here. Did you say you seen a long gun?
No, I was running up when the shots got fired.
And
So he shot. Who shot him?
Just for standby.
I don't know. I came around.
Yeah, Greg. I don't know what this crowd's going to do.
Can't find Renault. I can't buy Sentinel.
Okay.
I need head count.
So now the medic, Michelle, arrives there, and we've showed you sort of this scene from one of their helmet cams previously.
State police, when you get here, set up the perimeter. Let me know when you're ready.
Is that where the dude is too?
Yeah, he's up there too. So the ladders are en route. The operator suffered lacerations to the hand climbing up on the, so like you might need minor stitching. Can't confirm life status on the mail. Let's get it.
44, please tell me where do you want me?
Ladder is coming up. So how we got up next corridor over. Okay. Right. You'll see where the handprints on the fucking side.
Behind two pine trees, we pop a ladder up there.
The suspect is directly above us.
The ladder's going to be coming over here? Yeah.
So that corridor down there?
Yeah.
I'll take it. Yep. So, well, don't wait.
Now, if I just pause it here for a second, that's the alcove where all the cops were hoisting each other up there earlier, and they're stopped right in front of it, so you can see there's no ladder there, but they do spot the black telescopic ladder in the next building down.
Yeah, you oh yeah, you see this ladder? Yes, you can. Go down to that corridor. We're gonna hold off this one. Is this where they climbed, or is this where the bad guy climbed? That's where. That's where me and Butler went up. Okay.
1305. You have 48K in the area. He's the only one. 1434 is on the tactical team. You can pick up somebody else.
Thanks, brother.
Yep.
I believe we're good. What's the communication here?
And finally, we have more people correctly using the ladder. OSHA would be proud.
I still have a large crowd presence in the field. Still a large crowd presence in the field. Majority's going to be states. We haven't had time to get together yet. Alright, yeah, they're on the air.
Hey, look who else is coming to the party. Check this one out, folks. Let me show you something over here. Look at this. It looks like the cops have finally shown up with that ladder. And if you look at the timestamp, so this now solves a lot of questions for us about that big old 10-foot aluminum ladder. Who put it there? How did it get there? And what time did that ladder get there? So this now solves every question we ever had about this ladder. And I think we can rule out that it's had absolutely nothing to do with the shooter. So the 10-foot aluminum ladder arrived at 6:29 p.m., 18 minutes after the shooting.
Service, post guy over here. I told him that meeting on Tuesday.
What's that?
So I think this dude in red, whether he witnessed it, whether he whatever.
No, he was with him.
Was he with him?
Okay.
Oh no, they're suspecting Dave Stewart.
Not yet that I'm aware of.
Did we get, there was the second key card for this building should have been from, well, you might have some in your car. Should be some in the car. But the second key for this building was at the command post.
Do they need guys in, Colonel?
Just, not yet.
Alright. Yeah,
Mate.
1305.
Stand by with slack. Stand by with slack.
1305. You want me to see if I can get you a command post from Butler, or from Beaver County?
Hey, I got another one. I got more.
Here, looks like 2 or 3 over here. Okay. Charlie 1.
Hey, slack. Radio up. Tell them we got 3, 4. Ask them if they want to start clearing building 3.
That was part of the initial. If you need a good location on it.
No, I just dropped out.
Copy. I am outside of 4.
See that dude running?
And then an hour and a half later, the AGR parking lot was crowded with cops.
I thought you were on the roof. I thought it was you. What? I thought you guys were on the roof.
No, we're at 1 Bravo 1. Vicky.
Why were we not on the roof? I think he's dead up there. I said, I don't know.
Bravo 1 is coming.
Whenever they saw him and they needed him, they should have called us earlier.
All units, be advised, the actor had a remote device with a 9-volt battery on his person. And do not enter AGR building per TAC command. They have units clearing.
I'd say this is a up.
Sorry, not sure which gas company.
Somebody up.
Have them respond.
On the roof. The stage is right there.
Affirmative.
They were on the second floor inside. You heard whenever Trump was coming in, they shut down cell service.
Well, I figured they did.
Put it out.
Whoever probably did the circle in the front, because you're shooting in the crowd, he had to be. But he had to be back far enough to see. So I don't know what. When I see someone run across the roof, they probably should have yanked Trump right off the stage.
This is the squad car of the officer that crawled up on the roof and spotted the shooter and then fell back down. So he was patrolling a few blocks away and drove over toward the water tower. Note that the time is 6 p.m. You can see he's driving up the back side of the water tower. There's still no audio yet, and still no shooter up there either, like a lot of people thought there was. He's pulling up to another police car that's already parked behind the water tower. So you can see they had plenty of police all the way around there at the bottom. So now he is driving across the parking lot of the AGR building. And he's going to park right in front of the building where the shooter is sitting right now. Look at the time. It's 18:08. Sometime around now, they've discovered that there's a person up on the roof. They still don't know he's armed yet. As he heads into this south side here, facing the Trump rally. Remember, Trump is already speaking right now, and we're about 2 minutes away from the shooting. And look how the building is set down low in that little valley, whereas the grass and the rally grounds and everything else are higher up. See the hill on the other side of the building? That's how the people by the other trees were able to see him. I think that's Dave Stewart in the red shirt there on the right side of the picture, shooting his now famous video. So now the officer is going to start to head around to the east side of the building there toward the water tower. He is going to then get hoisted up to the roof where he will discover the shooter within 60 seconds from now. And there's Dave still shooting over there on the right. And here's Dave's version of that video. And there's the officer right there walking along the end of the building. And he's going to turn around and come back this way. There's the state trooper that's going to climb up on the picnic table there momentarily. So they, of course, can't see anything from that vantage point. But what you're going to see now is this officer is going to start heading back over to the corner of the building. And he is going to disappear around that other right-hand corner of the building over there, because he is the one that in less than a minute from now is going to spot the Trump shooter. So he's starting to walk over there now, and you'll see him and another officer start to kind of pick up the pace and run back into the alcove area behind the two tall bushes. So off he goes around the corner. And now we're back to his body cam. And he's getting ready to walk around that corner there. As soon as he gets to the side of the building here, he's going to start hightailing it. So they're going to go into that little alcove. And this is that now famous video that we saw the other day. So he's going to get hoisted up there by his partner. he's going to try to pull himself up. Then he sees the shooter and drops back down to the ground. And the rest is history. Make sure you check out these other 2 videos that I've uploaded over the last couple of days here. These are the fresh new videos for you to check out. If you haven't been here on this channel, you want to binge watch those. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.